Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The dollar got a slight bump of 0.2% against the yen in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin dollar pair skyrocketed 1.5% in the last session. The CCI is giving a positive signal. The gold dropped 0.3% against the dollar in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The oil dollar pair exploded 2.5% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
China plans its first public auction of state crude oil reserves to a select group of domestic refiners, the Reserves Administration announced, as Beijing looks to cool high raw material costs for manufacturers. Some banks and building societies are failing to supply reliable data for regulators to spot threats to the financial system, the Bank of England has warned. Sterling firmed to a one-week high against the dollar to close the week. Shrugging off Britain's weak economic data on expectations the Bank of England was set to hike interest rates well ahead of its U.S. counterpart.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The U.S. 3-month bill auction will be released at 15:30 GMT, the U.S. 6-month bill auction at 15:30 GMT, the U.S. monthly budget statement at 1800 GMT. Singapore's unemployment rate will be released at 2:30 GMT. Korea's import price growth at 2100 GMT. Korea's export price growth at 2100 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.